Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to learn how you can create and display conversion notifications on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the pixel before creating the notification. Once you have installed it, click the add notification button. You will see different type of social proof notifications and widgets here. To create conversion notification, go to conversions. We have two different variants available here. Recent conversions and conversion count. In the first one, you can show recent conversion data like subscriber name, location, and sign up timestamp. While in the second one, you can display the total number of conversion or sign up within a specific period of time. Choose whichever you want to display. We will go with the first one. Click on See Designs and select the notification design of your choice. As you can see, there are many design options available. Each one comes with its unique customization options. Select any one of these and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. In name, you can write anything which is easy to remember. In URL, you have to mention the website URL where you want to display the notification. Once you have filled in this information, click on Create and Customize, and you will be redirected to customization page. Here we have three sections. The first one is Design. Here, as you can see, we have Notification Template Gallery where you can change the notification design if required. Then we have Live Preview Screen where you can see how your notification will look like on your website. You can also check how your notification will look on mobile and desktop screen. Using this switch, you can change the theme. Further, we have three main configuration options. In design, you can customize notification text, language, icon, position, animation, borders, and more. And if you would like to change notification language, you can change it under text editor using this option. Now, let's say if you want to redirect your users to desired page, then you can make your notification clickable and add CTA button. If you would like to collect data using inbuilt data collector, you can enable this option. So whenever a visitor clicks on the CTA button or notification, a collector will pop up where visitor can fill in the information. If you want to customize data collector form, you can use this option like name, phone number, email ID, and more to edit it. Now let's move to the next option. In case you want to change notification delay and display time, then you can use data and timing settings. With these options, you can set notification timing like delay and display time, and also you can restrict the number of data you want to display to your visitors. If you are using data collector pop-up, you can choose whether you want to send the data to email ID or via webhook. The design section is all about making your notifications eye-catchy, so you can grab your customer's attention. Once you are done with design section, click on save button to apply changes. Now let's move to the display section by clicking the continue button. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display notification like display it on all pages or specific page by adding different display conditions. If you want to display same notification on multiple websites, you just have to add multiple website URL here. You can choose whether you want to display notification to returning or new visitors and target a specific audience by using segmentation options like UTM, cookie name, referrer, and more. Now let's move to third and the last section, data source. This is the part where we collect data from multiple sources. You can collect data using two ways. First is capture the data using Pixel that you must have installed on your website. Our Pixel is built in such a way that it can automatically capture data from your website when visitor submits any form like inquiry form, sign up form, or newsletter subscription form. Now here are the options that allows you to capture from all pages or specific pages using different conditions. You can also check the captured data here. Second method is by using integration. If you are using third-party tools to collect data, then you can use this method. We have direct integrations with form builders, email marketing tools, and CRMs and more. We have already integrated ClickFunnels and Infusionsoft. If you want to display data from any of this, you just have to select the integration and WiserNotify will start displaying data from this tool. If required, you can use data filter option to choose which data you want to show and hide into notification. Once you have customized all three options, your notification is ready to go live. Simply click on finish button and turn the notification on. Now let's check it on your website. As you can see, the notification is live on your website. Similarly, you can create conversion count using the same steps we used in creating the first notification. So that is how you create a conversion notification. If you want to explore more advanced option, you can find the video links in description. And if you are still facing any issues while creating conversion notification, you can connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.